So hello, my name is Thomas and I'm one of the Avnet Silica Power FAs here in Nuremberg at the PCIM, and I wanted to introduce you to one of our demos that we have here. It's the Renesas Motor Inverter demo, mainly here. This is a fully working prototype which they use in the lab to test efficiency. It's based on a motor control board by Renesas with their own automotive controller, and below that one there is the 6-pack module from Renesas, and this module can do roughly 300 kilowatts, and it's suitable for handling 400 volt bus systems and 800 volt bus systems. Yeah, if you have lower requirements or higher requirements, Renesas is coming up with a lot of derivatives of this one module, so they probably or highly likely have some part in future that fits your exact needs. In this module, there can be either packed IGBTs from Renesas, like one that's here. You can see here really the bare dies where the IGBTs sit on. And this one is a silicon carbide wafer in kind of current production size from Renesas. And you clearly can see both at 1200 volt devices, and you can see the size difference of these two. So the silicon carbide die is much smaller than the IGBT die. That also gives the silicon carbide die the advantage to have either more in one package or the package being even smaller. If your power application, your motor inverter application is not 300 kilowatts but less of this, Renesas has a ton of new packages. This one looks quite familiar to a lot of us. It's the equivalent to the H3 pack from ST. This one is TOLT package, also top cycled, both are top cycled, which gives the customer lots of advantages in designing. What's the difference between those two? If you look at the plastics on the package, here the plastics is less wide. So this means for automotive applications, the gull wing has advantages in thermal expansion and destruction. It's not going to give any pressure on the plastics, and so it's better for automotive applications. If you're considering a lower wattage, you do not need to take one of their big modules. You can have an alternative with their top side cooled or bottom side cooled, or even TO247 parts.